Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So today I have a Herrschners yarn order. Yes, I do. Now let me tell you a few things about this order, how long it took, what the surprise was. Not a good surprise. All right, so I ordered this Herrschners yarn on June 28th. It took 2 weeks and 2 days to get to me here in Manitoba, Canada. I believe Herrschners is in the United States. I believe. Am I wrong? Okay, so the mail carrier came on July 14th, which was last Thursday, with a card that says I have a parcel at the local, like my nearest postal outlet. So I'm thinking, is that my Herrschners? Why didn't it arrive at the house? And he said because it might be because the sender requested that we give you a card and that you pick it up. Like, why? Well, I found out why. I went there the next day on Friday, July 15th. I'm just reading my notes here. And it says on the package, card for pickup. So they dinged me with a $13 custom fee. Now, the card I got to take to the post office with me to pick up my package said that the card for pickup was requested by the sender, which is what the mail carrier thought. So I had to pick it up because I had to pay a custom fee at the post office. Now, I've never paid a custom fee with Herrschners. The only time I've ever paid a custom fee with a yarn company that I've ordered from was Love Crafts. That custom fee was $60 Canadian. This one was $13.86 Canadian. I'm like, that is weird. I don't know why that is, because my order was this would be American, $63.66 for this order. There's one item actually not in here. It was back ordered. So I don't know if they actually charged me for that item in this package. I think it said that I'd be charged when they shipped the other one out. But anyway, shipping cost was $18.94. That would be American, but I found a coupon online that took off $11.19. So if you guys order from yarn companies, go to Google or whatever your search engine is and type in, like I did, Herrschner coupons, and there will be sites that pop up that have coupons available. You may have to try, 1, 2, 3 maybe to find one that actually works, that will give you a code that you put into the site you're ordering from when you get to the payment section. And if that one doesn't work, just go back to another site and find one that works. We can usually find one that works. So I saved $11, so that was really nice. But then I paid $13 customs. Anyway, let's get into what's in this package. All right. So I've already opened it because I'm designing something. You guys may have seen I'm designing, it could be a top, it could be, you could also have it as a beach cover-up. And so I'm working on that. It's taken a while because I'm using one-weight yarn, which I don't usually work with. But I'm going to be doing the tutorial in an actual heavier yarn, which is easier for me to control while I'm, videotaping the tutorial. All right, so the next thing I'm designing, I had taken out one of these yarns to go with the other yarns I'm using, which you'll see in a future video. You'll see once that tutorial comes out. Okay, so they had, at Herrschners, they had a good deal. Okay, let me find my paperwork. I think it might say the prices on here, and it does. Okay, so let's take out this first one. This is Premier Cotton Sprouts. Now these have been out for quite some time from Premier, and I never tried them. I don't order from Premier directly because their shipping is too much. So let's see, this one is the colorway Lavender, and a bag of 3 was $11.97, and that's American money. So let's take one out. If you're not familiar with Premier cotton sprouts, and I'm not, I haven't used these before. And you know what, as soon as I opened this bag, the shipping bag, ooh, beautiful scent came out. So these, oh, they smell amazing, and they're all in bags inside the shipping bag. All right, so Premier Cotton Sprout, it's 100% cotton, 100 grams, 230 yards or 210 meters. It's a lightweight 3, and the color, like I said, is lavender. It's a lightweight 3. I think it's a small 3. What do you guys think? It's like a small 3, which is okay. So I got these 3 for $11.97. So I think that's a decent deal. What do you guys think? $11.97, so that's 12, so that's $4 a piece for 230 yards. I think it's okay. So I got that one. And then also I got this pretty Aqua, I believe it's called Aqua, for the same price, $11.97 for 3. And then this is the one I got into, this next one. It is colorway mint. Yes, mint. So same price, $11.97 for 3 of them. Cotton Sprout. Isn't that pretty mint? Very light. Well, not very light, but a light green. So again, these are the colors I got. Very nice springy, summery colors, right? Okay, so the next thing I got, and one, like I said, is missing because it says on back order. The color that's on back order is let's see. Do they have this mixed up? Oh no, they have it right. I got the right one. Color on back order is purple blue. So the one I got is blue green. Okay, so these are the Kelebek Alton. Okay, here, let me just show you. These are the Kelebek. That's the purple blue. No, it's not. It's the blue green. Why am I saying purple? This is the blue green. I can see that. Can you see it? Okay, this is the Kelebek. They're Turkish yarns that are bag of 5 for $10. And we have a pull start. I mean a center pull. So let's look at this. Kelebek Alton Ilmek. And these are, let me just put this bag down. These are, oh, excuse me. Oh, okay, 100 grams, 292 meters, 100% acrylic. And these are from Turkey. I don't see the... I'll look on the site and put any information here that I cannot find here on this yarn. Might be a 4-weight, a thin 4-weight, maybe, I'm thinking. What do you guys think? And I mean, the colors are really, really pretty. See how they go? Really pretty. There's like two colors twisted together. There's white and, you know, a lighter blue, and then white and a darker blue. Very pretty. All right, as for this, squishy. It's soft, but not really soft. Yeah. But I don't have a sensitivity to yarns, except wool tickles me. I don't know. But there's no wool in here. It's 100% acrylic. And these are their new Turkish packages that they have 5 for $10 American, 5 balls. So that's a really, really, really good deal. And if you're wondering, bag a day, Crystal did show these on her channel. She got, did she get this same color? I can't remember. She might have got, maybe she did. Maybe she did. Yeah, she got a couple of packages, or a few packages, and it was really cute. Like when I find a new yarn or new mystery boxes, things like that, I let Crystal know. So when I told her about these, she emailed me back, and these are called Turkish yarn packs. She emailed me back and she said, you know, you're my favorite yarn enabler. I have that email. I'm going to keep it forever. So she said, thank you for letting me know. And I said, your favorite yarn enabler? Wow. And that is an honor. So yeah, so she had gotten a few, and she, actually they arrived to her quicker than to me, I guess because she's in the States, I'm in Canada. But, yeah. So, you know, like, these are not the softest, but I think I would order them again at that price. I'm not going to jump on them, but, I would order them again. I don't know what they're like after they wash up. Let's see, do they have washing instructions on here? Right here. Okay, wash in 40 degrees. It says lay flat to dry. Yeah, that's what these instructions here mean. Yeah, and this colorway has a number, color number, I guess that's it, 600005. Right here, I imagine that's the color number. And so, yeah, I'm happy with this. I mean, for $10 American, which is more Canadian, right? But still, for these 5 balls, and there's, what did I say? 292 meters, it looks like. It's almost 300 meters. 3 times 5 is what? 1,500? Wow. Yeah. Yep. Very good deal. And, yeah, they had some other ones on there. I didn't order those, but when that other package comes in with the purple blue colors, of course, I'm going to show you guys that one too. But again, Kelebek. All right, so what else? What else? I also let Crystal know about Hobium new yarns they had, and new lucky bags at Hobie. So hopefully she gets those too. I haven't seen them on her channel yet, but, you know, sometimes when I want to maybe try new yarns, but, you know, we don't always have the money to try new things. So I just let Crystal know, and quite often she orders them and shows them and lets us know her opinion about them. And I think that's amazing. With this one, I think I ordered it, did I order them before she showed them on her channel? I might have, because I figured $10, you know, why not? But yeah, so she had said thank you for letting me know, and she was seemed pretty excited in her email. So I'm glad to help. And I mean, she, you know, she has so many subscribers that a lot of people are going to see those videos, and they will, they may order if her reviews are good, but her reviews are just her opinion, right? Like mine are just my opinion. So it's up to you guys if you want to, you know, order. I don't know if these are still there on the site. I am going to check that too, and I'll put it across the screen if they're still on there. Like that one was back ordered, so I guess it seems like they're going to be ordering more of them, get more in, because they said that they will charge me when they send me the item. So I wasn't charged for that. I shouldn't have been. Oh yes, they took it off my credit card. So it wasn't $63.66, it was $55.99 on their paper here. It says that. Yeah. So that is it for my Herrschners order. I'm happy about it. I already started working with that one that I showed you, one of these mint ones, and it's beautiful to work with. Oh, my cat is meowing. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me, and see you again very soon. Bye-bye.